the forensic science unit here was nice enough to have FARO come in and set up a mock crime scene just as if it was a real one, and to let the students actually utilize our scanners to scan the scenes and then upload all that data and reconstruct it in the software and do all their measurements and zoom in and zoom out and do fly-through videos, just to show them that the technology is not scary. It's very easy to use, and when they see the end product and how much more realistic it is than a photograph, it's pretty cool to see their excitement. Our scanners are utilized throughout public safety in many law enforcement agencies, from the feds to state level to local PDs. They purchase our scanners and our software, and then they utilize them to document and reconstruct crime scenes, fatal crashes, fatal fires, and pre-incident planning. So when these students leave college and they hit the real world, they're going to be way further ahead than most students that are in college still doing hand measurements and sketching scenes out and taking photos. These students are going to be exposed to technologies that are going to be used for the next 30 years in law enforcement.